Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add an Eden card to your Apple Wallet. First, start by opening the Wallet app on your iPhone. At the top right corner of the screen, tap the plus icon to add a new card. When prompted, select debit or credit card. You can either scan your Eden card using your phone's camera or enter the card details manually. Once you've entered the correct details, your card will go through a verification process. As long as the information is valid, you'll see a notification confirming that the card has been added successfully. Your Eden card will now appear in your Apple Wallet. You can set it as your default payment method and use it to make or receive payments. You can even add it to your Apple Watch if you prefer. And that's it. You've successfully added your Eden card to your Apple Wallet. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.